Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Ooze blinking green. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you first need to understand what is the problem here. So the blinking green light here indicates a problem with the pen. So the reason could be, like for example, a drained battery. So blinking from 10 to 15 times means the battery is pretty low. Another reason is battery connection issues. So blinking 4 to 5 times suggests a connection problem. And in this case, another indication of this problem, or another problem that it would actually cause blinking here, is cartridge issues. Like for example, leaking irregular size or a deformed oil coil might be the cause of this problem. So what are the things that we could do here to probably fix this issue? So first is going to be make sure to recharge the battery. So connect the Ooze pen to the charger. The pen's light will turn steady green, and the charger will show a red light. Once fully charged, pen's light will turn off and the charger's light will turn green. Disconnect the pen from the power source. Next you want to do here is you want to check the battery connection. So first, access the cartridge, clean the cartridge bottom and the pen's connecting point with a cotton swab dip in rubbing alcohol. Now from there on, allow both to dry before connecting. Now if cleaning didn't resolve the issue, the cartridge might be irregularly sized. Adjust the cartridge by tightening or loosening it until a proper connection is found. Next is you want to test the different cartridges here. Now, or you might want to test it with a different cartridge. Now, if the problem persists, try using a different cartridge that previously worked with your pen. So if this resolves the issue, you'll need to replace the problematic cartridge. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.